Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Point Siena in the Villages, Florida. We have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco designer home offered at $600,000. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, welcome friends. My name is Tim. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Point Siena in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco Lantana model home. It is offered at $600,000. This home has no bond and it is a motivated seller. The back of this home does face northwest. I will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. This home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac. That is panning south right there. I'll do a 360 because it is on a quiet cul-de-sac. As I walk up to this home, I do notice that it has a painted concrete driveway with an awesome graphic in very good condition. This home has a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage as well. Very mature landscaping. As always, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Paige Booth, or your showing agent, and her name is Belkis Suarez. And I will include both their contact information in the description of this video. You can see the outside of this home is very well maintained, has an awesome entry, has a glass storm door as well. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful tile floor. Large, spacious, great room as well. Off to the right, you do see the kitchen and living area. Off to the left, you do see a guest quarter. That guest area has tile floors in the hallway. Off to the right, you see a guest bathroom. Tile floors, wood cabinets, Formica countertop, one sink. That tub and tile surround that has a tile surround in the shower. It does have a tub as well. Raised 6-panel doors on this home. Here's a guest bedroom. This guest bedroom does have carpeted floors, acoustic textured ceilings in this guest bedroom. It has bifold doors, raised panel on the closet. Show you what that looks like. Off into the hallway area, you do see a guest bedroom in the front of this home. It does have carpeted floors, acoustic textured ceilings. This room is very large. I will video the specification sheet to show you these room dimensions. It does have raised panel bifold doors on the closet as well in this guest bedroom. I will open the linen closet to give you an idea of what this linen closet looks like. That is your linen closet for your guest bathroom. Very large, very wide guest linen closet. Off into this great room concept, very high ceilings, acoustic texture. Off to the right, you do see the dining area as well as the kitchen area. That appears to be paint on the wall. It is not tile. It is not wallpaper. Here is your kitchen area. Tile floors are continuing in this kitchen area. It does have a natural gas stove, wood cabinets, light wood cabinets, Formica countertops. It does have a tile backsplash as well. That is your kitchen island area. It does have a 2-bowl sink Very nice, very awesome. That is the rest of the dining. I will show you the laundry area. It does have a sink in the laundry area, raised 6-panel door, extra deep space in that laundry area with a window. This is your 2-car garage. Actually, it's a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. I will turn the lights on. The lights are on, actually. There we go. 2-car garage with a golf cart garage, block and stucco home. There is your water heater. It does have a tank on top. That means that water heater has been replaced in the last several years. Here you have your dining area, your living area. Let's go into that living area. It has a Florida room / lanai. That is your dining as well. This home is super clean. Here is your lanai / Florida room. It is temperature controlled. It does have painted concrete floors, floor to ceiling or almost to the ceiling, windows. They do slide open if you want. There is your mini split air conditioner over there, friends. It does have HVAC ducts in the ceiling as well. The back of this home does face northwest. This is an awesome space. Let's go into that yard and show you what the yard looks like. You do have a patio area out here that's painted cement right there. Let's take a walk to the side of this home. You do have a wall there, very large yard. That is the side of your home there, friends. Let's go back inside that home. I will show you what the rest of this home looks like. Next, I will walk into the primary bedroom area. I will video the specification sheet first, friends. This home is located at 1733 Sanderling Street in the Villages. List price $600,000. No bond, Lantana model, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco home. And there are your specifications. Tile in the living, dining, and kitchen area. And there is your showing agent information, Belkis, Suarez. Next, I will take you into the primary bedroom area. It does have carpeting, acoustic texture, very high ceilings in this primary bedroom area. Primary bathroom has tile floors. Very nice. It has 2 sinks for mica countertops. Very light cabinet color. There is a separate commode space with a hinged door. It does have a window in it. Let's take a look at the shower area here as well, friends. There is a walk-in shower. It has tile floor, tile surround, very high ceilings. It does have a seat in that shower as well. Your primary bathroom has a walk-in closet. That is a large walk-in closet there, friends. Give you an idea of what that closet looks like. Wire rack shelving units in it. We'll take a look behind the door. That is your door. More shelving units. Let's take a walk back out into this home. See what the rest of this home has to offer. Give you one last panoramic view of that dining area there. Has a kitchenette area there. Here's your living area. Very spacious home. Next, I'll walk back out into that street and I'll give you one last view of this home. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. As always, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Paige Booth, right there, or your showing agent, Belkis Suarez. There you have it, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Lantana model designer home located in the village of Point Siena, offered at $600,000. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Point Siena, in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco Lantana model is offered at $600,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.